Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys oppo phone guys personal hotspot full setting, how to set up personal hotspot on oppo mobile one by one and step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, first of all open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your oppo mobile. So friends, where is personal hotspot setting and how to set up personal hotspot on oppo mobile. Friends, click here connection and sharing option. Then friends, you can see aeroplane mode. Friends, you want to on aeroplane mode on your device, so you can on aeroplane mode and you can turn off from here. So friends, click here personal hotspot setting, and friends, you can see use a personal hotspot to share wi-fi or mobile network connection. So friends, you want to share your personal hotspot, so on your personal hotspot, after click here QR code, and friends nearby device you can share this QR code and you can share your mobile network, you can share your mobile hotspot. Friends, click here personal hotspot setup setting. First of all guys, you can check your device name, and friends you want to rename your hotspot device name, you can rename. Friends, I will rename into oppo phone hotspot, oppo phone hotspot. And friends, you can check your hotspot password from here, and friends you want to copy your password, so guys you can copy your password, you can cut, you can share. And friends, you want to set new password, you want to change your hotspot password, so guys enter your new password, and guys your password should be guys 8 digit. Friends, you can see if you use 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 digit, you cannot change password. After friends 8 digit we can change hotspot password. Right click here, password will change on your device, and once you can check we have new device name, and once we have new hotspot password. Friends, click here connection management setting. First of all friends, you can check block list. Friends, you have blocked any device friends, so you can unblock from here your hotspot device. Okay friends, maximum allowed connection friends, limit of connection device 1 2 3 4, last friends we have 10. If you want to set on 10 5 6, you can select data limit. Friends, click here. Friends, you can set data limit from here 10 MB 50 MB 100 200 500 1 GB 5 GB 10 GB. Friends, you want to set here 1 GB 2 GB 5 GB 200 MB 100 MB, so you can select your data limit and you can set. And friends, you can set turn off hotspot automatically when no device are connected for 10 minutes. So friends, you can off and you can on your hotspot automatic setting from you. And last guys, we will off personal hotspot. After off, you cannot share your mobile hotspot. So like that friends, we can set up personal hotspot on oppo mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.